Hi guys, let's move on to the next part, which is transfer of goods and internal movement. These two kinds of movements are quite similar but slightly different. So let's first cover transfer of goods. So to transfer, which it actually means to transfer certain inventory from one warehouse to another. So say for example under inventory module, we click the arrow down here under transfer, say new transfer. And wait. Yeah, it got stuck. Okay, so this new transfer window is gonna pop up. And first we want to notice this part, source and destination. This is the original place we want to start the transfer from. So for example, let's select main warehouse as a source and location being Best Sky Warehouse. So let's transfer the item WB203. Check the box here, okay. So here we can enter the number we want to transfer to Best Sky Warehouse, and we don't have to worry about the zones at this point. We'll set them up later. So we first enter quantity. Let's say we'll transfer 100 units, which is actually 100 cases, and select zone 1 for each of them. So this is really basic, and after putting those numbers, we can click save and close. Okay, so after doing this, these 100 cases are literally transferred from main warehouse to Best Sky Warehouse. And to verify that, we can check find item and put WB203 and check the stock information right here. So for Best Sky Warehouse, we have 100 units in stock, and main warehouse 800 units. So we have successfully transferred from main warehouse to Best Sky Warehouse, which is very simple. So let's go to the next part, which is internal movement. To do an internal movement, it actually means to move within a certain warehouse from one zone to another. Well, for example, obviously for now we don't have a lot of zones set up yet. We only have the default ones, and we're gonna have our customized zones later. But we have to first know how we're gonna do this. So pretty much the same format, and we have source and destination. But for this one, like I said, it's an internal movement within one warehouse. So you would not be able to change the location. See? The source is going to be always the same as the location. So let's say we're moving internally for Best Sky Warehouse. Still item name W203. Double click this. From zone 1 to another zone. Let's say move 50 units from zone 1 to defective zone, let's say zone 4. Save and close. Alright, let's go to find item WB203 again. Alright, so under here for Best Sky Warehouse, it's now 50 units in stock and 50 free stock versus previous 100 stock, and there are 50 cases in other zone. So the free stock is actually the number of cases you're allowed to sell. So once, like for example what we just did, once we've moved to defective zone, which means these goods are no longer good to sell, so this number is going to change correspondingly. Alright, this is all about internal transfer and internal movement and transfer between warehouses.